So now let us see Dalton's law of partial pressure. So according to the Dalton's law of partial pressure, the total pressure of a mixture of gas in a vessel is the sum of the individual components if they were present in the same volume alone. So we call this total pressure as P1 plus P2 plus ... Suppose n gases are there. So let us see, if we have an area, cubical area, you recall. So this is the area of one side, this is the shaded area. So this is the cubical volume in which gas is there, a number of gases is there. So we say the total force on this wall, the force total F total acting on this wall is due to the momentum transferred F due to one first gas, another gas 2, F3 gas ... And you see here, suppose if in the whole bulk there is only one type of gas, that is F1, then it will have, then we can say now pressure is equal to F total by area. So the total F will be equal to, so the pressures will be, simply I will divide by A, so F1 by A plus F2 by A plus ... So P total is equal to F1 by A is, if only first gas is present here, then it gives the total force on this. So total force can be added just like, so we have P1 plus P2 plus ... So all these are the partial pressures. So the total pressure is the sum of the partial pressure, because the total force is due to vector addition of all these forces by different gases.